In this video, we're going to discuss configuring HOBOware to run in what's called secure mode as part of your 21 CFR Part 11 compliance. In order to configure HOBOware to create this audit trail, you will select File, Preferences, and under General Preferences, down at the bottom of the menu, we will click on the little triangle in front of Data Verification. So here it says, Enable Secure Mode. There's a checkbox. And it says it's compatible within an environment where 21 CFR Part 11 is being employed. It also says, in secure mode, HOBOware will add a digital signature to save data files upon readout. And it will save it in a different file extension than your typical Hobo extension or .dtf extension. When you're working with USB-based loggers, your standard data file extension is .hobo or .hobo. If you're using a serial type logger, an RS-232 based serial logger, your file extension will be .dtf. When you select Enable Secure Mode, your data file extensions will be changed to .hsec for USB-based loggers or .dsec for serial-based loggers. So once we select Enable Secure Mode, we click OK, and then we go ahead and configure and launch our logger as we always do. So you get the standard launch screen, you select your parameters, you select your logging interval and how you want your logging mode to be, and then you click on Start. After you read out your data from a secure file or secured deployment, you will say File, Open Data File, and you will look for your data files by default are stored in a folder called HOBOware in your users folder. That's for Windows computers running the Windows 7 or Windows 8 operating systems. And you can see here, and you can change that just by pointing it to a different direction or a different folder if you wish, but this is the default folder. So here we have a .hsec file that we've created previously. We open that file just as we normally do. Open that file. Now, the difference between this file and any other file is if we click into the details pane, which we talked about in a previous video, you will see that there's another menu option besides you see devices, deployment info, statistics. You also see data verification. If you click on the little plus sign in front of that, you will see it tells you who launched it and who read out the logger and when it was read out. And this will help you with your 21 CFR Part 11 compliance. For more information about using HOBOware software, click on Help, HOBOware Help, consult your HOBOware User's Guide, which comes with every copy of HOBOware, or go to our website, onsetcomp.com.